Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube community. My name is Kenny Declan. In my career, I go into organizations and I teach the people how to embrace and use technology. In this YouTube channel, I'm going to be showing you how we go about in doing that. What we actually do is we marry psychological principles of human principles that you can actually execute, and also we teach some technical trainings that you're going to be able to use to actually get better at the work you do inside of your workforce. So who is this YouTube channel for? Well, if you're a working professional in any part of the organization, you could be in HR, you could be in IT, this YouTube channel is really going to teach you some ways to leverage the technical tools that you have access to. At the same time, if you're somebody who just loves to learn about the psychology of human behavior and wants to change organization or change communities or even change yourself, then some of those principles, the psychological principles that we teach in this YouTube channel are also going to be important. So go ahead and subscribe now and let's begin this change journey together.